I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the signature specification. So this vehicle has 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's a DAB digital radio, air conditioning, and the car has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.